My name is Clodagh Branagan and I qualified as an instructor with Ladybird in February 2019, and since then, quite honestly, my life has changed. I was previously in the insurance and personal trainer business and neither seemed to be going anywhere, and it was hard to get by with such small pay. Because I like driving and helping people, a friend of mine mentioned that driving instruction would suit me, and he saw an advert online that Ladybird were recruiting. I filled out an online form, I was contacted an hour later, and the rest is history. I passed all 3 stages of the process, and since then I've been extremely busy with anywhere from 40 hours per week and upwards. I'm my own boss, set my own schedule and hours that I work, but I have fantastic business support from Ladybird management to oversee everything for me, from my diary to EDT training, check test training and general day-to-day ongoing support. I honestly would love that whoever sees this, please don't be afraid to give Ladybird a call. They will make it happen for you and change your career path for the better. And I can tell you your salary certainly is guaranteed to increase 4-fold. Trust Ladybird like I did and give them a try. You really have nothing to lose.